Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around environmental studies standard 5th. In that chapter number 6. Chapter name is Water is a Life. See, main 1, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. What does sar in the word Gadsisar mean? A river, B sea, B sea, C lake and D stream. Answer is a sea lake. Number 2. What did kings of ancient times or donors get constructed to solve travelers' water problems? Option A dams, B wells, C bore wells and D step wells. Answer is option D step wells. See the number 3. Which is the main source of water? A rivers, B rain, C wells and D lakes. Answer is option B rain. Number 4. Which is the large step well located near Ahmedabad? A. The Dada Hari step well, B. The Ranki Vav, C. The Adalat step well and D. The Jethabai step well. Answer is option C. The Adalat step well. Number 5. For which of the following tasks is the water not needed? A. For drinking, B. For washing hands, C. For making paper toys and D. For having a bath. Answer is option C for making paper toys. Number 6. Which of the following containers can hold the highest amount of water? A. Tumbler, B. A bucket, C. A glass and D. A jug. Answer is option B. A bucket. Number 7. How was the water crisis taken care of in Darki Mais village? A. By constructing a well, B. By constructing a dam, C. By constructing a lake and D. By constructing a step well. Answer is option C. By constructing a lake. Main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Gadshishar is a lake built by the king Gadsi of Jaisalmer. Number 2. To store large amount of water in homes, a blanks is built with a brick, cement, sand. Answer is tank. Number 3. Water was obtained from a blanks by getting down to it by climbing downstairs. Answer is step well. Number 4. A step well with one entrance is known as a Nanda. Now see fifth one. When a river or a lake in a village would fill up with rainwater, people would distribute a sweet known as a Megh Laddus. Answer is a Megh Laddus. Number 6. When there is a heavy rainfall, the blanks of villages get filled to the brim. Answer is a lake. Number 7. Water is a blank's wealth. Answer is natural wealth. Number 8. Water of a blanks lies deep in the earth, so it is pulled up with a motor pump. Answer is bore well. Now see the next page. Main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. Repairing a leaking tap is an act of water conservation. True, right. Number 2. We can do without drinking water for a long time. False, wrong. Number 3. All the rainwater flows into the sea through rivers. Wrong, false. Number 4. There are throats in a village for animals to drink water from. Right, true. Number 5. Rain is the main source of water. True. Number 6. Farming can be done without water. False, wrong. It is not possible. Main 4. Match the columns appropriately Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see the column A. Number 1, the branch of a river. 2, main source of water. 3, a well with a staircase. 4, the water resource like a small river. And column B, number 1, rain. 2, stream. 3, canal. 4, borewell. And fifth one, step well. Now see the number 1, the branch of a river match with canal. Number 3. Number 2, main source of water match with the rain. A well with a staircase match with the step well. Number 4, the water resource like a small river match with the stream. Now we will see main 5. Main 5 is answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. See the question number 1. What is meant by source of water? Answer is the place from where water is obtained is known as a source of water. The place from where water is obtained is known as a source of water. Now see the question number 2. Which is the main source of water? Answer is rain is the main source of water. Now see the question number 3. Which are the source of water? Rain, wells, bore wells, streams, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. are sources of water. See the question number 4. From where do we get drinking water? Answer is we get drinking water from wells, bore wells, rivers, lakes or taps in our houses. Now see the next page. See the question number 5. In what is water stored in your house? Answer is in my house water is stored in an underground tank and an overhead tank constructed on the roof of our house. Number 6. For which tax is water used more in your house? Answer is more water is used in my house for tasks like bathing, washing clothes and utensils and cleaning the house. Question number 7. Where does rainwater that falls on the earth flow away? Answer is rainwater that falls on the earth flows away into underground gutters, lakes or rivers. From rivers it finally reaches the sea. Some water also gets soaked into the earth. Question number 8. Who on the earth need water? Answer is all living things like human beings, animals, birds, insects, plants, etc. on the earth need water. Question number 9. What does flood mean? Answer is during monsoon when it rains heavily and continuously it is called flood. Question number 10. What does drought mean? Answer is during monsoon when it hardly rains at all it is called drought. In this video today we will completed main 5. We will see this main 6 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.